So always remember, like number one, metals except mercury. Mercury is a very important metal. Why I'm saying it very important? Because the question will be asked from here. Okay, so metal except mercury are solid at room temperature. Second point, like very high, they can ask you the question regarding very high melting points. So, but gallium and cesium are having a very low melting points. Okay, if you keep those metals on your palm only, like it can take the heat from your palm and they can easily melt. Okay, so these are, I would say that these are exceptions. So in exam, definitely they ask for the exceptions, right? We know that. Okay. Now coming to the next one, iodine. Like iodine is only non-metal which is lustrous. Okay. So only iodine is a metal which is lustrous, which is non-metal again. The carbon is a non-metal that can exist in different forms. Example like diamonds, they can ask you the question like, which is the most or which can what are the different forms that or allotropes of carbon? Well, name some allotropes of carbon. So you can name it diamond is the hardest and it's very shiny and have the very high melting point. So these two are very, very important. These two bands are very important. So very high melting point and boiling point together. Okay, you can also highlight it. And graphite is a conductor of electricity. So being a non-metal, even the graphite is also a conductor of electricity. Coming to the alkali metals, that's very important also, like in order to remember the names, because apart from these, they're also highly reactive metals. Okay, why we'll call it as very important when you grow up in the higher grades. So alkali metal has a whole importance, like you'll find a complete chapter on alkali metals because they are very, very reactive. Okay, so lithium, sodium, and potassium are so soft that it can be cut with a knife. And that is the reason like why they are reactive because they are very soft. Okay, they don't have that intermolecular forces of bonding or intermolecular force of attraction. They have low densities and low melting points, and this is also the reason they have low densities and low melting points. Okay, and also like as I said, they are called alkali metals or even group one metals. Anything is fine. You can name it anything.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.